Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to take screenshots in Faceapp. Alright, let's begin. The first thing you have to do is open up your Faceapp. Then, make sure that you make an edit to your face. Just make sure it's the edit that you want. Here, you have different options, like changing the hairstyle or changing your entire look. So, if I just choose short hair, I can also choose long hair. Then, I click on Apply. You can also change the age to make it look younger. Something like this. Here you have different options like adding blurs, backgrounds, making some adjustments like your brightness, enhancements, highlights, and many more things. Once you're happy, or if you want to take a screenshot, after this, all you have to do is simply press the power button and the volume down button on your phone, and it will take a screenshot of your photo and the entire Faceapp. There is another feature comes in different device of taking screenshots is that you can do bring down the notification panel like this. Then simply click on the Take Screenshot button that will be right here, and it will take a screenshot as well. And that's it. So that's basically how you can take screenshots in Faceapp. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.